Hello, I just received my Spirograph in the mail, so let's open this up and see what it is like. So that's the only thing in the bag. It looks pretty cool. See if I can get that light out of there. Where is that even coming from? Right. Well, we'll just have to hold it at an angle. Die-cast collector set Spirograph. Precision metal drawing pieces. Includes 10 die-cast Spirograph drawing pieces, 2 pens, 4 grams putty, design guide, storage tin, ages 8+. So this is taped down. Alright, so we got a cardboard thing showing you all the different pieces. Metal. The lid comes completely off. There's a tin. How to use the Spirograph. How to use the lines. Different designs. Plastic top. We got a little bit of putty. 2 pens. And these are fairly weighty, so they're not just lightweight things, they've got some heft to them. So they are indeed metal and not super thin metal, so I am pleased with what they are like. And one has to hope that metal pieces will last longer through wear and tear than plastic pieces would. Well, this is just a little too bright in here. Alright, well anyway, let me know if you have any questions about what the Spirograph kit contains, and I will let you know. Have a great afternoon.